Thank you for shopping at Whole Foods Market.
Hey y'all, what's up? We're just gonna go grocery shopping today. Literally nothing more, nothing less. It's one of those grocery shopping trips where it's like I have to restock on everything because I just haven't been grocery shopping in so long. We have to go quick because it is the evening and you know it's Sunday and people be closing. So I want to take y'all with me. We'll talk when we get there. I wanted to be at the grocery store like a little bit earlier. So I was gonna go to Aldi's. I really was. But I think I'm just gonna, you know, just for the sake of time, just go straight to Ralph's. Or they'll most likely have everything. You know what I mean? So, because it's like you know, I want to make this as efficient as possible. So we're going to go to Ralph's first. And then we're going to go to Whole Foods because apparently the Whole Foods brand has some really good stuff for some really affordable prices. So we're gonna go ahead. I really treated myself this weekend, and so now I have to like make sure that this week is good. Less carbs, gonna do much more fiber, greens. So I'm definitely gonna get like lettuce. I definitely need some chicken like thighs, stuff like that. Right now we're looking for contact solution. $17 is crazy. These two. Time to get the dairy now. We're gonna get some milk and heavy cream. So yeah. I want to do like pasta. I know I said like no carbs, but I'm also just like, I'll see if I can like substitute the pasta, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm actually scared for my life, but guys, these prices are insane. But listen, if you're not cooking with Kerrygold, I don't know what to They have unsalted sticks now? Period. Last but not least, we're gonna go get some bread. gonna make the chilies mozzarella sticks. That was actually not that bad. I didn't think that, I thought it would be over $200, but I didn't. I was right under 200. I was like 190 something, so technically 200. But we beat our budget at Ralph's. What? We met our budget at Ralph's, guys, so good for us. It took a lot of deliberation on what I needed and what I didn't need for this week, so, you know. But what time is it? It's 7:20. Let's head to Whole Foods. Actually, the milk that I drank wasn't at Ralph's, and so it gives us an excuse to go to Whole Foods. Guys, I want to find the pistachio cream at Whole Foods. Listen, that Dubai chocolate will see me one of these days. It really will. I'm going to attempt to make it, but I need the pistachio. I need the pistachio. So yeah, Whole Foods is not too far, which is great, and they're still open, which is even better. So we're gonna go to Whole Foods. I only have some percent left on my camera, so I'm gonna turn it back on. But are you guys liking this video? Like, I do grocery shopping often, duh, but you know, that's what I forgot. Breadcrumbs. Let me write a list. I forgot to get breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs, pistachio cream, milk, pickles, apple cider, and I think that's all I need from Whole Foods. It's really that milk. So, but yeah, guys, we're having such a relaxing Sunday. I do just want to get home and like unpack everything. part vinegar, and I went ahead and just like tossed all my vegetables in here. So like we got the carrots, we have the tomatoes, the cilantro's here, and then I got some celery. I'm just gonna flip it over. It's been soaking for a little bit. Oop, it's gonna drip. This is just how I wash my vegetables. I know there's like some other stuff like sprays and stuff, but I just do water, vinegar, and then just let it chill for a little bit. But yeah guys, this is everything we got. In total I think it just went up to like $260. Oh, this was the fit, by the way. We did a dress, period. So yeah, we're just about to put these groceries back, and I just want like a little snack for tonight. So I think I'm gonna do the Nashville hot mozzarellas or cheese sticks. I think I'm gonna make that tonight. And if you guys want a full video on that, let me know in the comments, and I'll do like the whole step-by-step process. But I think I'm gonna make that, and then probably eat like a salad or something, or like a piece of chicken, just like nibble on some stuff before I go to bed. But yeah guys, I'm gonna put the stuff back and just me, but my dad taught me that when you buy like these rotisserie chickens, you should bake it again. I don't know if that's like a thing that everyone knows, but I don't eat it straight out the pack. I cook mine, I bake mine, you know, very demure. I'm mindful, very demure. But yeah, I'm just gonna pop this in the oven. Only because like, yeah, it's cooked and all, but I just wanna like, just cook it again, you know? So we're just gonna cook the chicken for a little bit. I have it on 400. So yeah. That, or you want to watch me make it, let me know in the comments, and like I'll do like a whole separate video on like the Chili's Nashville hot mozzarella sticks. I literally tried it one time and I was like, I have to make it at home. So if you guys want me to do that video, let me know. But that's the end of this video, y'all. Let me know what you guys think of it. Very chill video, just groceries today, girl, nothing crazy, okay? But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.